Okay, so in this lesson we're gonna learn how to use cosine law if two sides and an included angle is given. Here's an example. So we're gonna solve the triangle ABC with little a equals 4 units, little b equals 7 units, and angle C equals 35 degrees. And we'll round our answers to 1 decimal place. All right, the first step is to draw a picture. Just a rough sketch, it doesn't have to be exact. And then label the vertices A, B, C, and then label the sides with the given information. So side A is 4 units long, side B is 7 units long, like that. And then angle C is 75 degrees. So I'm going to have that picture right here on the corner so that we can see it. Now, here are the cosine laws. So there are 3 of them. We're going to start by trying to figure out how long this side is. So we're always going to start by figuring out the side length that's opposite to the angle that's given to us. Now, because we want to find the length C first, we'll go back here in this 3 different formula list and then pick the equation with the rule C squared on the left side. That's what we're going to pick. C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of C. Now all you got to do is plug in those values of A, B, and angle C here. So C squared equals A is 4 units, so 4 is squared, plus B is 7 units, 7 is squared, minus 2 times 4 times 7 cosine of 35 degrees. Simplify a little. 4 is squared is 16, 7 is squared is 49. 2 times 4 times 7 is 56. You can use calculator for this. And then, again, use calculator to do 16 plus 49 minus 56 cosine of 35 degrees. And that should be about 19.1275. But that's the C squared. So you take the square root. And that gives you C about 4.4 units long. Right? So there it is, C about 4.4 units long. Now we're going to figure out how big angle A and angle B are. Now we're going to use, again, one of these equations from here. So I'm trying to figure out angle B. So to do that, I'm going to look into these 3 formulas and then find the one with angle B on the right side. So this is the second equation that I picked here. So a little b squared equals C squared plus A squared minus 2CA cosine of B. I plug in those numbers. So B is 7 units long, C is 4.4, we just found that, and then A is 4 units, so put that in there. Use the calculator to do 4.4 squared, and 40 squared, and 70 squared, or you can do on your head what 70 squared is and 40 squared is, if you want. Now you can add 19.36 and 16 to get 35.36. Then subtract 35.36 both sides. So that's 0 on the right side. So 49 minus 35.6 is 13.4 equals negative 35.2 cosine of B. We'll divide both sides by negative 35.2. So these two cancel on the right. So we have cosine of B equals negative 13.4 over negative 35. Sorry, just 35.2. And then we'll use the inverse cosine to find the angle B. So make sure your calculator's in degree mode when you're doing this to get your answers in degree. And then if you type that in, you'll see that B is about 112.4 degrees. All right, so we got B 112.4 degrees. We just need to figure out A, which we can do it by noting that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. So I can add this 2 and subtract from 180 for angle A. So that's 180 minus 35 plus 112.4 is 147.4. And 180 minus that is 32.6. So now we have all the unknown parts and we have solved the triangle. That's it.